endoscope manufacturing process. Point-to-end waterproof adhesive is used to seal the end of the endoscope and prevent moisture or other liquids from entering the inside of the device and causing damage, thereby protecting electronic and optical components. The material used is epoxy resin, which is applied to the end to ensure that the glue evenly covers the welding and its surrounding areas, creating an effective seal. After the application of waterproof glue is completed, it is necessary to ensure that the glue is cured completely and reaches the predetermined strength and tightness. After that, environmental adaptability tests such as water immersion tests and pressure tests are conducted to ensure the reliability of the endoscope.